Hi, I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp. Today's January 10th, 2025. And I got this at 12:48, which is 1248. And 8 means new beginnings. This is one of the most moving prophetic things I've gotten from the Holy Spirit, because it's his time on the earth right now, and he's moving in, bringing people into the kingdom, leading them to salvation. There'll be no anything at the end of this. This is just going to go out, and he wants me to ask you to send it everywhere you can, because he's speaking. So listen to what he has to say, and he's doing it from a person's perspective. It just came out of nowhere at 12:48 this morning. Woe is me. I should have accepted the key to salvation, so there would be no damnation. I did not believe, so I did not accept the key. And life passed me by, and now I'm about to die. Is it too late? Have I thus sealed my fate? I made so many mistakes. I hurt many as I lived my life of good and plenty, not caring about the needy. Yes, I was greedy. I wanted it all for myself. It was mine. So I saw no need to share. I did not care. Now that I lay and wait for that expected date, I have begun to wonder about all my blunders. And what can I do, since my life is now almost through? Is it too late? And have I thus sealed my fate? I have made so many mistakes. What will it take to right this wrong, so I will not just get moved along and end up in hell with the rest of those who fell? Then I heard a voice, most beautiful and unique, and it told me it was not too late to change my fate if I looked into my heart and had remorse for all I had done, listening to the wrong voice. And I felt shame and sorrow for all I had done, and realized that Jesus and I should have become one. For he truly is the Son, and died on the cross to set me free. Why was it I did not see? It was free just for me. So I accepted this gift of life and became Jesus's wife at the very end of my life. Do not wait. It could end up too late. For once you leave this world, your fate is sealed. So while we are alive, that's when it is time to arrive at the cross and accept Jesus, your Lord, and the one who takes away your sin, so you can win and enter into heaven away from all the leaven. Love the Spirit, hear it. Those are impacted words, the Holy Spirit speaking from the point of view of a person. I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp, and I have nothing else to say to that, except if you don't know Jesus, ask him in right now. Say, Lord, please come into my life. Be real to me. And thank you for taking away my sins so I can spend eternity with God, my Father, Jesus, your Son, my Lord, and the Holy Spirit. I'll be back when he sends me back again. Gary and I love you very much, and have a blessed day.